Here's one way to differentiate an assignment in Canvas. I've created a section for students that I think I will differentiate for frequently. So I've got two sections with all the other students, and then a third section. And here are the students that I think I'll differentiate or write differentiated assignments for often. I try to be careful in naming the section. Other students will see it, so keeping it kind of consistent with just another number makes it easier. And so when I'm editing an assignment and I'm ready to assign it to students, generally it goes to everyone by default. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to change that, and I'm going to assign this piece to section 7.1 and section 7.2, which are most of the students in the class. And I'm going to attach a due date and save it. It's going to give me a warning, essentially saying you didn't assign it to everyone, and that's okay. So now I'm going to go back to the assignments, and I'm going to duplicate that assignment that I just created. And in that duplicated what I do on line copy, I'm going to edit it. And I may change some of the instructions with a modification. Here I'm going to have the students just write 2 paragraphs, and I'm going to encourage them to use the Google Voice typing tool. Now when I assign it, I'm going to assign to section 7.4. I'm not going to assign it to everyone else. This is a separate assignment for 7.4. And I'm going to give a due date. I can give them a little extra time if I wish on the assignment. And then I'm going to save it and publish it. Now in my gradebook, I get 2 columns. The original one for 2 sections, and then the modified one. And so here it's waiting for the 2 students to turn in the modified assignment. On the student side, in their gradebook, they're going to see just one assignment, whether they're in the modified group or they're in the other group. And that's one way that you can modify assignments in Canvas.